Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to update the Gardenscapes game. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Gardenscapes application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here that looks like this, where you can see you can go ahead and get started playing. So guys, if it doesn't allow you to play because you need an update or you just want to update it by yourself for the newest update, then this is how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. And after opening up the App Store guys, you want to go ahead and click the search bar right here at the top of the page. Click on the search bar and here you want to go ahead and search for Gardenscapes. So go ahead guys and search for Gardenscapes. Find the Gardenscapes game as you can see right here. Click on Gardenscapes, and as you can see after opening up Gardenscapes guys, now you can see you have two options. You can either uninstall or you can update. As you can see currently I have no update button, but if you have an update button because you have a new version that you can install, instead of the play button it's going to say update, and you can click on that and it will successfully update your game. And after that you can just open it up normally and start playing again. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.